Welcome to chemistry class. Dear student, last class we have discussed the acidity of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. Okay, so in today's class we will discuss the acidic character of phenol. Why phenol is acidic? Phenol is acidic in nature. Okay, so it can be explained through resonance. Through resonance, we can explain why phenol is acidic. Okay, due to resonance, the oxygen atom of phenol, it acquires positive charge, so that the strength decreases and the OH bond broken, so that phenol is dissociated into phenoxide ion and H plus ion. Okay, so hence we can prove that phenol is acidic. So dear student, today we will completely discuss why actually phenol is acidic. That can be explained through resonance. The OH group attached to the benzene ring, as we know, that is also plus R group. Okay, because of the plus R effect, the oxygen which contain the lone pair of electron, that lone pair of electron delocalized in the benzene ring through resonance. Okay, so we will discuss the acidic character of phenol. Just you see, the acidic character of phenol can be explained through resonance effect. So suppose this is your phenol. The oxygen atom contains two lone pair of electron. Then if it dissociates, then phenoxide ion and H plus will be formed. This is your phenoxide ion. This is also called phenate. And this is your phenol. So actually student, we have to prove phenol is acidic. So why phenol is acidic? Within the phenol, the phenoxide ion is there, which comes out from phenol when it dissociates. This is your phenoxide ion. Okay, so now it can be explained through resonance effect. So what are the resonance structure of phenol and what are the resonance structure of phenoxide ion? So if we have to prove that the phenoxide ion will be more stable than phenol. So now let us draw the resonance structure of phenol. You see this lone pair delocalized. Okay. The oxygen and carbon, it will be double bond in nature. So this will be our positive charge. Due to this positive charge, the bond between oxygen and hydrogen that becomes weakens. It comes to this place, then it will be like this. This is structure 1, structure 2, this is structure 3, structure 4, this also comes to this place, then the delocalization takes place in this way. This is a fifth structure. Dear student, you see, this is your phenol and this oxygen is positively charged. In the resonance structure 2, these are also called sigma complex. The resonance structure of 2, 3 and 4, it contains positive charge and a negative charge on phenol. Okay, so there is a charge separation. In phenol, this is positive, this is negative. This is positive and this is negative. This is positive and this is negative. Due to charge separation, it costs energy. So, phenol, the energy content of this resonance structure are high. The resonance structure 2, 3 and 4, they have the more energetic, they are more energetic in structure. Okay, so this is the resonance structure of phenol. Now, we will draw the resonance structure of phenoxide ion. Now we will draw the resonance structure of phenoxide ion. So this is your phenoxide. We have to prove that phenoxide ion is more stable than phenol. So this is your phenoxide ion. Okay, student, you see, this will come to this place, then the delocalization takes place in this manner. This is your phenol, this is the negative charge, the bond between carbon and oxygen will be double bond. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose this is your sixth structure. Then the electron moves to this place. This is your 9th, 10th. Okay, so these are the resonating structure of phenoxide ion. Dear student, you just see in phenol there is a charge separation. Okay, in phenoxide ion only negative charge is delocalized over the ring, and so there is no charge separation. In the resonance structure of phenoxide ion, these resonance structures all are equivalent structure. Okay, but in phenols there is charge separation. Due to the charge separation, which costs energy, and it's because positive charge and the negative charge is on the phenol, due to resonance, they will try to attract each other. Okay, student. But in case of phenoxide ion, there is no charge separation. So the energy content of the resonance structure of phenoxide ion, okay, is less than the resonance structure of the phenol. That's why we can speak that phenoxide ion is more stable than phenol. Phenoxide ion is more stable than phenol. Hence, phenol dissociates to form phenoxide ion and H+. This is the explanation of why phenol is acidic. So, dear student, again I am summarizing everything. Why phenol is acidic? Because phenol that provides H+ ion, okay, that provides H+ ion and phenoxide ion. because the phenoxide ion is more stable than phenol, that's why phenol dissociates to form phenoxide ion and H plus. So it can be, or it is explained through resonance effect. Okay, it is explained through resonance effect. Through resonance, that these are the resonating structure of phenol, so that this phenol, resonance structure of phenol, it contains charge separation which costs energy. Okay, more amount of energy will be required to separate the charge, so that the resonance structure of phenol are more energetic, or the energy content of the resonance structure of phenol is more than that of phenoxide ion. This is the phenoxide ion. These are the resonance structure which contains only negative charge, is delocalizing, okay, from one place to another place. So there is no charge separation in the phenoxide ion. Okay, that's why phenoxide ion is more stable than phenol. Hence, phenol dissociates to form phenoxide ion and H plus. Okay, student. So this is the explanation behind the acidic character of phenol. Okay, student. Thank you very much.